Are you trying to earn money online, but you've been searching on the internet and you cannot find anything? Now, in this YouTube video, I'm going to show you a unique strategy of how to make $120 in 5 minutes over and over again. So I'm going to break it down to you because some of these videos, they only give you half of the information and then I'll give you the full length. So I'm going to break this down so that way you can start to implement this and take action immediately. Now, this is not a secret. This is something that people have been doing. However, there's a few websites that I'm going to share with you that you can execute this and you can make $120 in 5 minutes over and over again. So this is a great way how you can earn money online. So if you've never made money online before, this is going to be a great video. So if it's your first time here, my name is Andre. Make sure you become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. So that way I could be you could be the first one to know every time I create a new video. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family, smash that bell notification. But let me know in the comments, as I said just now, I want to give you a shout out, or sometimes I reply to you in the comments and just say welcome to the entire family. So we're going to kick things off and we're going to get rocking and rolling. So this is my YouTube channel. I have a ton of videos on here. So if this is not something that you're looking for, I can bet there's going to be a video on here that will work for you. So make sure you check them out and you search all the different titles. So make $120 over and over again in 5 minutes. So the website that I'm going to be talking about is a website that is called Fiverr. Yes, so I'm not going to send you over Fiverr, and I'm not going to tell you to go sign up for an account, and I'm not going to say, well, do this or do that and you don't get money. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to get started with just this method. So first thing first, if you don't know what Fiverr is a freelancer website. They have a ton of things on here that you can offer services, and people will pay you money. That's right. People will pay you money right off the gate. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing video ads. So video ads is very popular. Everybody wants to do videos these days because it gets a lot more engagement, and people will rather watch a 10-minute video than to read an ad copy, which is like 10 minutes. And it's proven, it's tested that people would rather watch videos. So if you notice, if you go on, I'm going to show you real quick. So I'm going to pull up the website. So if you go on Instagram, right? If you go on Instagram, and if you notice, let me just put motivational videos, right? I'm just gonna put motivational videos just for the sake of this video. So let's say I'm gonna put in motivational videos. That is not a video, but if you look here, this is a video, that is a video, that is a video, this is a video. But what I'm trying to tell you is people watch videos very often. That's why you have TikTok that just came out, because people are loving it and the generation is changing because that is what is working. So people want to do video ads. They'd rather create ads and they place them on their particular website. So if you look down here, people are making $225, $65, $20 to make a video, $60 to make a video, $450, $100, $180, $45, there's $120, there's $35, there's $15, there's $40. Now, what's the difference between this and this? Now, this person get a lot of jobs. As you can see, he got a lot of job, but he's undercutting his price. Well, it all depends on how much he's doing it for. So that's like 40. This person right here, they have 22 gigs and they make $120, right? So for me, I think 120 is a good sweet spot. If you want to lowball and you want to start off slow and then you bump the price up, not a problem. You could do that as well, because I'm sure you're going to say, well, there's a lot of competition. No, if you can produce great quality, you'll have people recommending your services over and over again. So that's how it works. So once you do that, we're going to go over to a particular website that you can go, and it's free when you when you create videos. However, it's going to have a watermark on it if you do not pay for the services. Now I'm going to show you why, and it's fairly cheap too. It's not expensive, But this website can do a lot of things. So we're going to be creating a video. Here are some of the display. I'm going to reveal the name of the website real soon, so that way you can go over there and you can check it out. So if you come here and let's say we're going to click on this one, right? Click on this one. This is very Christmassy. You could play it, 20 seconds. So you could see the quality and the type of videos that go on here. So let's say you want to create a video. We could just do one right here so you could see. So that is the background. So the person pays for the $120 to do a logo. You would come to this website and you can create it. Now, if you're good at creating, if you have your own editing software and all that, you could go ahead and you could do that. But you can come to this particular website, you can create whatever it is that your customers need, and they will get it and they'll be happy regardless, right? So in here, you can put like your logo. You can upload a picture, you can create a logo, whichever one, go on here, create a logo. So let's say your logo is make money, right? Make money is your logo, is your company name. And your tagline is people want to be rich. Description, I want a logo for a make money online business, right? And then you click next. Once you click next, there's so many different logos that you could choose from. You can click this one, you could do that one, you could do watercolor, whichever one is good for you. So let's go with watercolor. Click on watercolor, click next. Once you click on next, it's gonna populate and it's gonna give you different type of design. Like look on here, make money online, make money online, make money online, make money online, make money online. So you can either edit it or you could just download it. So there's so many different styles to choose from, as I mentioned. So once you create your logo, you can put it up there. You can put your tagline, and let's put, hang on 1 second, image URL. Let's upload something. I'm just gonna upload a picture, all right? Let me upload my beautiful wife. There she is, right? So you could just sign in. I didn't sign in to the account, but once you sign in and you're done, you can click on preview. You can go buy high quality, or you could go on like free preview. You know, you can continue editing, and that's how you do it. So under 5 minutes, you can create a high quality 15-minute ad for your customers, like right out the gate. So it's not going to take you any technical thing. You don't have to try to get download a software or pay for a soft, one of those softwares. If you want to go big, you could do that too. But it's very good. So once you do that, you could see the pricing. It's absolutely free. You could sign up for it. But the only thing is that there's watermark on anything. So if you don't want no watermark, it's going to be $7.99 a month. So $7.99. Imagine if you get a video that costs you, right, $445, $195, 25. Well, you're not going to go 25, but as I said, you just want to rate. Like this person right here, he got two for $1,000. Like this person right here, he creates company video ad, right? So of course his price is going to be more. This person right here, 200. This person right here, 15. So people are not lowballing. Of course, the ones that, put 25 and stuff, they'll get a lot more gigs. But guess what? Sometimes, quantity don't means quality. So people want quality stuff. They're looking for that. So just create an account and you just come here, just ensure that you put your listing, start making your videos. And if you want to pay the $7.99 for the month, I wouldn't pay it until I get some money rolling in, right? So once the money start rolling in, then you could do that. So I do hope you enjoy my video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching this. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think about the video. So again, the name of the website that I'm supposed to share with you is called renderforest.com. So renderforest.com, you can come over here, you can sign up, it's absolutely free, and you can get started. So thanks so much for watching. Check out the link in the description if you want to learn more about my online business and what I'm doing. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.